Hey everyone, welcome back to English Talks Hub, your daily English practice. I'm Lily.
I'm Arthur. We're so happy you're here with us today.
If you're new, subscribe so you don't miss our daily episodes.
So, Lily, how was your weekend?
It was good. Arthur and I went grocery shopping on Sunday.
Oh, nice. Where did you go?
New seasons and something weird happened.
Weird how?
So Lily said, "Do we need some eggs?"
Okay.
And I said, "Do we have any milk?"
Normal so far.
And then Lily said, "Would you like some coffee when we get home?"
Still normal.
And I'm standing there in the dairy aisle thinking, why did she say some eggs, but I said any milk? They're both questions.
You noticed that
My brain just froze right there between the yogurt and the cheese.
I felt this tightness in my forehead like when you're trying to solve a math problem?
A grocery store grammar crisis.
Exactly. And then I started paying attention and I realized native speakers switch between some and any constantly, and I have no idea what the rule is.
Well, there is a rule, but there are also exceptions. And the exceptions are actually more interesting.
That sounds scary.
Don't worry, it's actually simpler than you think.
Promise?
Promise? And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Some versus any.
Some versus any. The rule, the exceptions, and why Lily used some in a question.
Finally, this has been bugging me since Sunday.
Let's start with the basic rule, the one everyone learns in textbooks.
Hit me. Some is for positive sentences.
Any is for negative sentences and questions.
So, I have some friends, but I don't have any friends.
Exactly. Positive, twin some. Negative, twin any.
There are some cookies on the table.
Great. Positive sentence, cookies exist. You bought them.
There aren't any cookies on the table.
Negative, no cookies.
Sad.
Very sad.
Especially for me. I love cookies.
I know you do.
And for questions, are there any cookies?
Any for questions. You ask because you don't know if cookies exist.
I bought some groceries.
Positive, groceries exist. You bought them.
She doesn't have any experience.
Negative, zero experience.
Do you have any questions?
Question, you genuinely don't know if there are questions.
I need some help with this.
Positive, help is needed. It's a real thing.
He didn't give me any information.
Negative, no information at all.
Perfect. You've got the basic rule.
Now I think of it like a traffic light.
A traffic light?
Green light, twin positive. Use some.
Red light, negative. Use any.
Yellow light, twin questions. Usually any.
Oh, I like that. Green, red, yellow. Easy.
But here's where it gets interesting.
The exceptions.
The exceptions. And this is what makes you sound like a native speaker.
My ears are wide open.
Exception number 1, use some in questions when you're offering something.
Offering?
Would you like some coffee?
Oh, that's what Lily said.
Exactly. She was offering you coffee. She expected you to say yes.
So when you offer something, you use some because you expect a positive answer.
Perfect. You're not really asking, do you want coffee or not? You're saying, here, I have coffee. Want some?
Would you like some water?
Great. You're being polite and offering water.
Can I get you some tea?
Perfect.
So if a barista says, would you like some sugar in that? She's offering.
Exactly. She's assuming you might want it.
But if she says, do you want any sugar?
That's more neutral.
Right. Any is a genuine question. She has no expectation either way.
My shoulders just dropped. That explains so much.
The feeling behind the word matters more than the grammar rule.
The feeling. I like that.
Exception number 2. Use some in questions when you're requesting something.
Requesting?
Can I have some water, please?
Oh, you're asking for something specific. You expect to receive it.
Right.
Could I borrow some money?
You're requesting, not just asking a random question.
Can I get some help over here?
You need help. You expect someone to come.
Exactly. Request use some because you believe the answer will be yes.
So offers and requests both use some in questions because you expect a positive outcome.
That's the key. If you expect yes, use some. If you genuinely don't know, use any.
This is like a secret code that nobody teaches you.
Kind of. And once you know it, you start hearing it everywhere.
That's what happened at the grocery store. Once I noticed it, I couldn't stop.
That's how language learning works. You notice, then you understand, then you use it naturally.
Like a switch turning on in your brain.
Exactly.
Okay, let me test this. At a restaurant,
Go for it.
could I have some more bread, please?
That's a request. You expect bread. Perfect.
Is there any bread left?
That's a real question. You don't know if bread exists.
Excellent. Feel the difference?
I do. The first one feels confident. The second one feels uncertain.
That's exactly it. What's exception number 3?
This is my favorite. Any can mean it doesn't matter which one.
Wait, what?
You can sit in any chair.
Oh, it doesn't matter which chair. Pick one.
Exactly. Any here means every or whichever you want.
Call me anytime.
Right? It doesn't matter what time. All times are okay.
Any restaurant is fine with me.
You don't care which one. All options are good.
So any in a positive sentence means no restrictions.
Perfect way to say it.
You can ask me anything.
No restrictions on what you ask.
Great. Anyone can learn English.
No restrictions on who. Beautiful.
And this is actually very common in positive sentences.
Really think about it. I'll eat anything.
I can go anywhere.
Any day works for me.
All positive and all meaning no restrictions.
Right? If you're listening and thinking, wait, I thought any was only for negatives and questions, you're not alone.
Many learners think that.
But this no restrictions meaning is huge. It changes everything.
It does. When someone says, I'm happy with anything, they're being flexible, open, easygoing.
That's me when Arthur asks where I want to eat.
Anywhere is fine.
Classic.
But I mean it. I really don't care. All restaurants are good restaurants.
That's the spirit.
This is actually fun. My brain is tingling in a good way.
Grammar tingles. The best kind of tingles.
Now let's talk about compound words.
Some and any combine with other words.
Like someone, something, somewhere.
Exactly. And anyone, anything, anywhere.
Same rules apply.
So I saw someone at the door.
Positive, perfect.
I didn't see anyone at the door.
Negative, great.
Did you see anyone?
Genuine question, right?
Would you like something to drink?
Offer. Now you're thinking like a native speaker.
It feels good.
I can't find my keys anywhere.
Negative, nowhere, they vanished.
Classic Arthur.
Hey, I've gotten better.
Lily bought me a key hook.
Did it work?
Sometimes, when I remember to use it, baby steps.
Progress is progress. That's the right attitude. What about something versus anything in sentences?
Great question.
I need to tell you something.
Positive. A thing exists. You have information.
I don't want to say anything.
Negative. Zero things to say.
Is there anything good on Netflix tonight?
Genuine question. You don't know what's available.
Would you like something to eat?
Offer. You expect me to say yes?
And the answer is always yes.
Of course it is.
What about, is there anything I can do to help?
That's a genuine question. You don't know if help is needed.
But I brought you something. That's positive. You have a gift. It exists.
And anyone can do it means no restrictions. Everybody can.
Perfect. You've got all the combinations.
So let me make sure I understand all the rules so far.
Go for it. Summarize.
Rule 1. Some for positive sentences. Things exist.
Check.
Rule 2. Any for negative sentences. Nothing exists.
Check.
Rule 3. Any for genuine questions. You don't know the answer.
Check.
Rule 4. Some in questions for offers and requests. You expect a yes.
Check.
Rule 5. Any in positive sentences meaning no restrictions.
5 rules.
That's actually not that bad. 5 rules for 2 words.
And most of the time, rules 1, 2, and 3 are all you need.
The exceptions just make you sound more natural.
Like going from good English to great English.
Exactly.
Quick question for our listeners.
When was the last time you used some or any in English?
Think about it.
Good one.
Now let's do some real life scenarios.
I love these.
You're at a coffee shop.
My favorite place.
The barista says, "Would you like some milk in your coffee?"
She's offering, so she uses some.
She expects I might say yes.
You say, do you have any oat milk today?
That's a genuine question. You don't know if they have it. So any
She says, sorry, we don't have any oat milk today.
negative sentence, no oat milk,
You say, that's fine. Can I have some regular milk then?
that's a request. You expect to get it.
Perfect. 4 sentences, 4 correct choices.
It flows naturally when you see it in context.
You're at work.
My home office counts, right?
Absolutely. Your client emails you.
Oh no. What does she want now?
She writes, I have some feedback on the design,
Positive. Feedback exists.
and my stomach just dropped.
She also writes, do you have any time this week for a call?
Genuine question, she doesn't know your schedule.
You reply, I don't have any time on Monday, but I have some availability on Wednesday.
Negative for Monday, no time. Positive for Wednesday, time exists.
Then you add, feel free to call anytime after 2 p.m.
No restrictions. Any time works after 2.
Brilliant. See how everything connects?
It's like breathing. Once you feel it, you stop thinking about it.
That's the goal.
Something just clicked.
Yeah, my whole body feels lighter. Like I was carrying a bag of grammar books and I just put them down.
That's the best metaphor yet.
You know what's crazy? This used to give me so much stress,
Writing emails and second-guessing every some and any.
but now I just feel it.
The offer,
The request,
the negative.
the no restrictions,
It all makes sense.
vocabulary review time, let's lock it in.
Some and positive sentences. Things exist. Example, I have some ideas.
Some in offers, would you like some coffee?
Some in requests. Can I have some water?
Someone, something, somewhere.
Any in negatives. I don't have any time.
Any in questions, is there any chance you can help?
Any meaning no restrictions. Pick any color. Choose any seat. Call me anytime.
And that's the complete picture.
Green light, some.
Red light, any,
Yellow light, to usually any.
and but some for offers and requests.
And any in positives means no restrictions.
4 rules cover everything.
It really is that simple once you see the pattern.
Question for our listeners. Which one surprised you more?
Some in questions?
Or any meaning no restrictions?
Tell us in the comments.
We read every single one.
If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button.
We post new episodes every day on English Talks Hub.
Share this with a friend who confuses some and any.
Remember the traffic light?
Some is the green light. Things exist.
Any is the red light, nothing there.
And any can also mean all doors open.
Keep listening.
Keep learning.
Small steps every day.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.